Becoming a parent is one of the most joyous and life-changing events a person can experience. Most parents explain the love they have for their children as unconditional, the kind they would risk their freedom for. Having to take such a risk sounds like an unlikely circumstance, but it happens quite often in the form of parental kidnapping. I'm Anthony Ray, one of the attorneys at Ray Law Criminal Defense Attorneys, here with today's criminal defense video. Let's jump right into it. Under Michigan law, parental kidnapping occurs when an adoptive or natural parent of the child takes or retains that child for more than 24 hours with the intent to detain or conceal the child from any of the following people: a parent or legal guardian of the child who has custody or parenting right time under a court order, a person who has adopted the child, or a person having lawful charge of the child at the time of the taking or retention. Parental kidnapping is considered a felony. If you are found guilty, you may find yourself in jail for a year, required to pay a $2,000 fine, or worse, you may end up getting both. You may also be ordered to pay restitution to the person who had lawful charge of the child for any financial expense endured as a result of the attempts to locate the child and request their return. The family courts, in collaboration with relevant state agencies, are the primary venues to resolve issues of child custody. However, when a misdemeanor or felony act is alleged in connection with a family case, the criminal matter must be addressed in the criminal courts. While it may seem unfair as a parent to have to defend the desire to keep your child close, the most pressing interests are indeed those of the child. Now, if you are charged with parental kidnapping but believe you had appropriate reason, one in the child's best interest, you can present that as a defense. To do so, you must prove that your actions were taken for the purpose of protecting the child from an immediate and actual threat of physical or mental harm, abuse, or neglect. If you, as a parent, have been accused of kidnapping, it is still possible to avoid being saddled with a felony record. To speak with one of our attorneys about your legal matter, give us a call at the number below or send us an email. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.